Hi, I am Aida Najwa binti Masri.
Hello, hi. I am Fatina Farisha binti Rosman.
Assalamualaikum. I am Muhammad Syarul Ahzi bin Ruaiha.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Akmal Hakim bin Buhari.
So now let's proceed to introduction.
Flood is type of natural disaster that we frequently heard. In Malaysia, it frequently occur during October to January. Like now, we already heard about few states in Malaysia like Pahang, Kelantan and Johor have been struck by flood. Flood notification system should be created to notify all the residential area in the state. In our study, we choose 5 residential area in Ketereh, Kelantan and Ketereh District Office to develop the flood notification system.
So now let's move to a problem statement. For a problem statement, we want to solve a flood notification problem in Ketereh residential area. And for the problem solution is, we want to develop a flood notification system plan regarding flood for residential areas using Google Colab. This is the list of the residential area that include in our study. We have a few assumptions in running this study and the assumptions are as listed. This is our total cost table. We got the total cost by using these two formulas. And then after that we run the data using the Google Colab. From the previous coding, we got the fastest route with the cheapest cost. So now let's proceed on how we code in Google Colab to get the graph. So here is our graph.
From our investigation, we can conclude that in solving our problem, we are using Google Colab to know the cheapest cost and the shortest route of the residential district. From our suggested shortest route is from 0, 4, 2, 5, 3, 1 and 0, and we only spend 10 ringgit for the total cost, which include commission and fuel for using motorcycle to go around the residential.
We hope you can learn something new from our video and thank you for lending your ears.